Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel GK Study with Akanksha. So, question number one: which ministry has introduced the unified pension system? A. Ministry of Home Affairs. B. Ministry of Finance. C. Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. D. Ministry of Personal Public Grievances and Pension. Correct answer is B. Question number two: the Uttar Pradesh government has recently implemented Operation 11 in which city? A. Prayagraj. B. Ayodhya. C. Varanasi. D. Gorakhpur. Correct answer is A. Question number three: which state government has recently launched Braille enabled Indian Constitution? A. Karnataka. B. Andhra Pradesh. C. Maharashtra. D. Gujarat. Correct answer is A. Question number 4: which state government has launched the Clean Mobility Policy 2025-2030 in February 2025? A. Uttar Pradesh. B. Maharashtra. C. Karnataka. D. Odisha. Correct answer is C. Question number 5: what is the name of the awareness campaign launched by Indian Oil and Bharat Petroleum on fuel conservation? A. Paryavaran Suraksha Abhiyan. B. Saksham. C. Green India Drive. D. Urja Raksha Mission. Correct answer is B. Question number 6: the Soliga tribe is primarily found in which states? A. Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. B. Bihar and Jharkhand. C. Rajasthan and Gujarat. D. Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. Correct answer is D. Question number 7: what is the name of the magazine recently launched by Defense Minister Rajnath Singh at New Delhi? A. Veer Bharat. B. Sasakt Bharat. C. Raksha Samachar. D. Shakti Sena. Correct answer is B. Question number 8: the Kuki tribe is primarily found in which region of India? A. Northeastern India. B. South India. C. Western Ghat. D. Ladakh. Correct answer is A. Question number 9: देश का प्रकृति परीक्षण अभियान is an initiative of which ministry? A. Ministry of Science and Technology. B. Ministry of Ayush. C. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. D. Ministry of Education. Correct answer is B. Question number 10: which ministry has launched Aadhaar Good Governance portal to streamline approval process for Aadhaar authentication request? A. Ministry of Home Affairs. B. Ministry of Finance. C. Ministry of Commerce and Industry. D. Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. Correct answer is D. Question number 11: which ministry has launched the India AI Compute Portal and Datasets Platform AI Kosha? A. Ministry of Home Affairs. B. Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. C. Ministry of Communications. D. Ministry of Science and Technology. Correct answer is B. Question number 12: which company has launched Club Energy Eco Crew, India's largest energy literacy movement? A. Tata Power. B. Reliance Power. C. NTPC. D. None of the above. Correct answer is A. Question number 30: the Shrishthachar Squad is an anti-eve teasing initiative recently launched in which city? A. Indore. B. Chandigarh. C. Delhi. D. Lucknow. Correct answer is C. Question number 14: which state has become the first in India to pass a law creating a commission for senior citizens? A. Maharashtra. B. Kerala. C. Gujarat. D. Telangana. Correct answer is B. Question number 15: Kosi Mechi Intra-State Link Project has been approved under which scheme in Bihar? A. Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana. B. Atal Mission for Rejuvenation and Urban Transformation. C. Jal Shakti Abhiyan. D. Mission Amrit Sarovar. Correct answer is A. Question number 16: which northeastern state has launched a year-long cleanliness drive named Nyathlpui in March 2025? A. Assam. B. Tripura. C. Nagaland. D. Mizoram. Correct answer is D. The Registrar General of India function under which ministry? A. Ministry of Law and Justice. B. Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs. C. Ministry of Defense. D. Ministry of Home Affairs. Correct answer is D. Question number 18: which state government has launched the AI Rising Grant challenge to resolve the public sector issues? A. Telangana, B. Maharashtra, C. Karnataka, D. Odisha. Correct answer is A. Question number 19. Which state government has launched the Tejasvi program to build entrepreneurial skill and confidence in students? A. Madhya Pradesh, B. Bihar, C. Jharkhand, D. Odisha. Correct answer is A. The question number 20. The Pakal Dal hydropower project is located in which state? UT. A. Himachal Pradesh, B. Lakshadweep, C. Uttarakhand, D. Jammu and Kashmir. Correct answer is D. Question number 21. The Gomti river flows entirely through which state? A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Madhya Pradesh, C. Maharashtra, D. Bihar. Correct answer is A. Question number 22. The Dongriya Kond tribe is primarily found in which state? A. Odisha, B. Jharkhand, C. Bihar, D. Assam. Correct answer is A. Question number 23. Which Nagar Panchayat in Tripura has recently introduced compostable bag made from PBAT as a green alternative to single-use plastic? A. Amarpur Nagar Panchayat, B. Jirania Nagar Panchayat, C. Kamalpur Nagar Panchayat, D. Pani Sagar Nagar Panchayat. Correct answer is C. Question number 24. Where was India's largest aerospace grade titanium and superalloy materials plant inaugurated? A. Lucknow, B. Bhopal, C. Jaipur, D. Hyderabad. Correct answer is A. Question number 25. Bharat Seva Kendra is a nationwide initiative launched by which institution? A. Chamber of Commerce and Industry, B. Niti Aayog, C. Reserve Bank of India, D. Ministry of Rural Development. Correct answer is A. I hope you like the video. Thank you.